Hey there, this is Christina with WTI. Have you experienced how amazing food tastes when you cook it in a cast iron Dutch oven? Well, if you haven't, then you're missing out. This 5-quart cast iron Dutch oven is my favorite. It is from La Cuisine and it has this beautiful cranberry porcelain enamel outer finish. Inside, you can see that it is the nice cast iron, which is what is going to make everything taste absolutely delicious. One of the things I love making in my 5-quart cast iron Dutch oven is chicken soup. First things first, I love how it cooks the onions and garlic and caramelizes them perfectly. The finished product, yummy, delicious, full of flavor chicken soup. La Cuisine also has this 3.75 cast iron quart brazier, which I love to make my pancakes in. They come out nice and crispy and are absolutely amazing. And when I found out that they also have a 5-quart oval Dutch oven, well, I just had to have that for my pork loins and roast beef. So whether you want to make a delicious soup, some wonderful pancakes, or a roast, having a cast iron Dutch oven is wonderful. And if you're like me, then you'll want to have the whole set. But that's just my point of view.